Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make this yummy and spicy and very simple chicken gravy. So let's get it started with the recipe. To a blending jar we'll take 1 onion, garlic, ginger and green chilies, and we'll blend this. I'm adding a little water and the blending is done. Here I've taken 500 grams of chicken. To that we'll add the mixture, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything together. Now we'll marinate the chicken for at least an hour. Here I'll marinate the chicken for 2 hours. Keep it in the refrigerator. After 2 hours, it's done. To a pan, I've heated some mustard oil. We'll fry some potatoes. To that we'll add some salt and turmeric powder. We'll fry this potato until they are beautiful brown color and cooked 50%. So we'll cover this and fry it. So here the potato looks beautiful brown. So we'll take that off. In the same pan we'll add cardamom, cinnamon and 1 black cardamom. Saute that for about 30 seconds and then we'll add the chicken. We'll fry the chicken over high heat for about 5 minutes. To that we'll add roughly sliced onions and some green chilies. Now if you do not like spicy chicken, then you can add chilies according to your taste. Right away we'll add the potatoes as well. Mix everything together very well. And now we'll cover this and cook it over low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the chicken here looks beautiful and smells very nice. We'll add half a cup of water. आप अपने हिसाब से डाल सकते हैं. If you like it a little gravy तो आप डालें. We'll add some garam masala, half teaspoon of garam masala. इसको मिक्स कर देंगे अच्छे से. And we'll cover this and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes over low heat. After 10 minutes, the chicken is done. The potatoes are well cooked. थोड़ा सा chopped coriander leaves डाल देंगे और उसको भी मिला देंगे. Turn off the flame and serve it hot with some roti, naan, paratha, rice. And guys, this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.